try to go our own way in solving problems for customers that want to do something better. Innovation is Aquajet's base. It's a lack of people everywhere, so therefore to do it with a Hydrodemolition aquacutter robot, then you will save a lot of employees also and have them have a safe job and come home to their families. We can't just tear down our building, we have to take care of them. And in the 40s and the 50s we built a lot of structures in concrete and they are in need of repair. And we have the perfect solution for repair, and a safe solution for repair and efficient solution.
It's making more and more sense to actually taking care of what is already built. So I think renovating of structures will make more sense in the future. And that is why Hydrodemolition will grow.
To be a successful company, you can't just sell products. It's a way of living and take care of the customer afterward. We live for doing things differently. We listen to customers, how we can do things better. So now we have created the best machine ever, that is the Aquacutter 750V. That's an amazing machine.
We have the Infinity system, the newest innovation. We can keep the nozzle at a very precise speed at the optimum point where it's doing the most work. Because you're using the energy in the water beam in a more effective way, the machine will also have a higher performance.
You will always try to do things better.